Hey there! Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're taking your standard continental breakfast and kicking it up a notch with 10 creative recipes using croissants, butter, jam, fresh fruit, and coffee or tea. Ready to transform your mornings? Let's get started! First up, we're making croissant French toast with berry compote. Dip sliced croissants into a rich egg and milk mixture and fry them in butter. While that's getting golden and crispy, cook some mixed berries with sugar and lemon juice for a fresh, tangy compote. Top it off with powdered sugar, and you've got the fanciest French toast on the block. Next up, we're making croissant bread pudding with caramel coffee sauce. Cube your croissants and bake them with a custard until golden. Then, for the piece de resistance, make a rich caramel sauce with butter, cream, and a splash of coffee. Pour it all over the bread pudding and boom, breakfast heaven! Now, let's lighten things up with a fruit and jam croissant trifle. This one's super easy. Just layer cubed croissants with your favorite jam, fresh fruit, and whipped cream. Keep stacking until you've got a colorful masterpiece. It's like breakfast, dessert, and art all in one. Here's something fancy: tea-infused butter poached fruit. Infuse butter with your favorite tea, then poach slices of fresh fruit in that flavorful butter. Serve it over warm croissants for a breakfast that feels like a spa day. Let's go wild with coffee-glazed croissant donuts. Cut holes into your croissants, fry them until golden, and make a simple glaze with powdered sugar, milk, and coffee. Dip the donuts into the glaze, and just like that, you've got coffee and donuts in one bite. Next, we're shrinking things down with croissant and jam bread pudding muffins. Mix cubed croissants with a custard, fill muffin tins, and add a dollop of jam to each. Push the jam into the batter and bake until golden. The perfect handheld breakfast. Now, for a summer twist, butter-fried croissant ice cream sandwiches. Fry croissant halves in butter until crispy. Cool them down, then sandwich your favorite ice cream between the slices. Add fresh fruit for an extra burst of flavor. For something savory, we've got a croissant Croque Monsieur. Layer ham and cheese between split croissants, top with a rich bechamel sauce, and bake until bubbly. Serve it alongside a fresh fruit salad for balance. The perfect combo of fancy and hearty. Let's get gourmet with tea-poached pears and croissant crumble. Poach pears in sweetened tea, then make a crumble from crushed croissants, butter, and cinnamon. Bake the crumble until golden, then top the warm pears with that crunchy goodness. And finally, we're wrapping things up with a bang: jam-swirled croissant bread pudding with coffee custard sauce. Layer cubed croissants in a dish, swirl in your favorite jam, and pour over a rich custard. Bake it until set, and then serve it with a luscious coffee-infused custard sauce. Perfection! And there you have it. 10 amazing ways to turn your regular continental breakfast into something extraordinary. Whether you're in the mood for sweet, savory, or a little bit of both, these recipes have got you covered. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share with your fellow breakfast lovers. Until next time, keep those croissants buttery and that coffee strong.